For this tutorial, we're going to focus on uploading the chart of accounts as well as the optional cost centers. First things first, head over to the Chart of Accounts tab. Once you're there, you'll notice a button labeled Download COA Template at the top of the page. Click on that button to download the template, and then take your chart of accounts from your existing ERP system and align it with the headers provided in the template. After you've saved your formatted template, return here to select the file and upload it. This action will import all your accounts categorized by asset, liability, expense, cost of goods, and equity. Next up, you'll want to select your cash accounts. These selections are crucial as they inform your cash forecasting and metrics on the dashboard. Remember, you can always return to this section to add new accounts by type and their respective code whenever needed. If there are accounts with no activity, you have the option to disable or delete them. However, for accounts that have activity, you won't be able to delete them, but you can certainly disable them. Let's move on now to the optional cost center. The procedure here mirrors that of the chart of accounts. Download the template, fill it out according to the provided headers, save the completed template, return to this tab, and upload it. To ensure everything is in order, take a moment to review and verify that all your information has uploaded correctly. Just like with accounts, you can add new cost centers whenever you like, as well as enable or disable existing ones as needed.